Hi, this is Dr. Franks, and I want to talk to you a little bit about what are the requirements for doing the case study paper, one of the 3 options that you have in your MAM 650 final class. This case study paper allows you to select a publicly held company and to write a profile of that company and to then at the end make some recommendations about its future possibilities. So the paper probably should be between 20 and 25 pages long, but that's pretty much up to you. You want to begin with a title page, numbered as page 1 in your document. Move on then to an abstract page, which will be page 2. An abstract, and you've written them in the past, are 1-paragraph summaries, about 4 to 5 lines of text that tell the reader where the paper is going. The next section should be an executive summary, 1 or 2 pages, starting with page 3. This contains your introductory paragraph, tells the reader what the case study is about, identifies the company. It contains your thesis statement and describes the company. After you do the executive summary, you're going to move into a company history. There's a tendency here, because there is a lot of information available, to make your company history too long. So try to keep it to 3 to 4 pages. After you're finished with the history, move on to the company's financial health. This is where you're going to include your financial ratios and any information that you've gathered, such as things like Chapter 11 bankruptcies or other significant financial events in the recent history of the company. Next, you're going to move on to the economic and marketing position of the company. It's important, particularly in this economic time, to talk about how the company has been impacted by what is going on in the marketplace. In addition, you want to talk about the company's marketing plans and any potential opportunities that the company might have for further business. Next, you want to talk about the company's ethics. Sometimes this information is difficult to locate. Other times it's right on the company's website. In addition to ethical guidelines, there might be more timely practices that might be available for you to talk about. In addition, if you can find information about the company's vision and values, that's also useful to include. The next section should be one on the company's challenges. You've all done a SWOT analysis, so you know how to identify the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The next section should be your conclusion. It summarizes what you've written in a couple of pages, repeating your thesis statement in different words. Next, you'll list your references. In a paper of this significance, your references should be at least 15 or 20 different sources. And believe me, I will be looking at sources beyond the company's website. So use your Wall Street Journal research experience and gather materials about the company that are not just produced by the company itself. After your references, if you'd like to include materials that are ancillary to the main document, you can put them in appendices at the end of the paper. And that's it.